CI/CD pipeline for stop environment is ready, but before pushing the branch to repo, one more thing what we have to do is unprotect the feature branches. Why? Because the stop environment thing what we have written will only trigger once you check this option while merging, which says to delete the feature branch automatically upon merging. And as a default behavior, this delete on merge option on the merge page won't come for protected branches. That is why we have to unprotect the feature branches. Let's do it. Go to settings, repo, protected branches, unprotect. So all the branches starting with feature -keyword are now unprotected. Unprotecting the branches has one small ripple effect. Any guesses what would be that? Remember, with unprotected branches, the protected variables are not available in pipelines. So we need to unprotect those variables as well. I know it's a little weird condition to unprotect the branches and variables for stop environment functioning, but this is how it is. Everything is done. Let's now push the branch to remote repository. Actually, I did create a new branch for a stop environment. So the pipeline for new feature branch has started. As you can see, unlike other jobs, the icon for stop feature job is a little different, and hovering over it, since when condition was set to manual in our pipeline, so it's saying stop feature requires manual action. And also, as we had linked the action stop for this job, so we got a stop environment button here. Let this pipeline pass. See, the pipeline for feature branch is passed. GitLab has executed all the jobs except this stop feature job, which requires manual action. Now guys, to start this job, to stop the running environment, you can simply click on this stop button. But doing this, as we learned, will destroy the running application environment and the maintainer will not be able to see and review your application. So we will not stop environment like this. Rather, we will create a merge request and let maintainer review the app and then take the decision, which we will see in a moment. Meanwhile, let's check the live application. To get access to running environment from the deployment section, go to environments. Under the review group, here it is. Open the live environment. Our application is running at this dynamic address. Also, if we cross check, its entry is in Heroku dashboard as well. Now guys, once you find your application code to be working as expected, you will create a merge request. Remember to keep this delete branch option checked. Checking this box only will make the stop environment job to run when your merge request is approved. Merge request is created. Since I am the maintainer as well, so we got this decision page. Again, GitLab is showing maintainer the results from previous pipeline run. If you want, you can click here to see the running pipeline logs. And guys, since the dynamic environment is still running, so maintainer can click here to see the running environment with live application. And then further take decision whether to accept this merge request or not. Anyways, I'm happy with the application. I will accept this merge request. So approve and merge. And don't forget to select this delete option. The branch is merged. and see the magic of stop environment. Once the maintainer clicked on the merge, this time along with the pipeline for main branch, the stop feature job from the feature branch also started running. If we open the logs, let it complete. While it is running, meanwhile, parallelly the main branch run would also have started. See, it is running as well. In this job, we have nothing but two tasks. First, it destroyed the dynamic application running on Heroku servers. And last, echoed out the application destroyed message. Let's refresh the application page and see if it is still running or not. Great. Error. There is nothing here yet. Means our application no longer exists here. And we can confirm the same from Heroku dashboard. The application is gone from here as well. Back to GitLab UI. If we go back to environments, the feature branch environment no longer exists in the available environment list because it has moved to stopped environment list. Wonderful. So guys, that was how you can add stop environment scripts in your pipeline. Now with our new pipeline configuration, we need not to worry about any resource misusage or extra costings because now stop environment being added, once the feature branch is merged into main, GitLab will automatically destroy the temporary created environment and will free down all the resources occupied by that environment. And with this lecture comes the end of this section and project. See you guys in next section with some new topics.